Hi scholars! Here is how you can submit your California award status details for your deliverables. Before we begin, it's important to note that this deliverable is only required from students that are attending a university or college campus within the state of California. If the school that you are attending is outside of California, you will be excused from submitting this document. Step 1. Visit the California Student Aid Commission website. The link can be found in this video's description. Once you have located the website, log in using your student credentials. Next, you will want to locate your status. This may be found by scrolling down and selecting the Show Details feature, which may be found under Application Status. Ensure that the correct year is listed at the top. And finally, screenshot this page and make sure that this entire area is visible, as this is the document that we are requesting. Once you have screenshotted your image, be sure to save it using the following format: last name, comma, first name, comma, CAAS, comma, cohort year. And finally, you may upload your California award status details to our Dropbox. Visit the link provided on behalf of a OneFeature team member to submit your document. Thanks for watching, and as always, reach out to us if you need any further assistance.